Well, George, plan appropriately. He has his waterproof windbreaker and that umbrella out on the deck.
Yeah, it is. Well, you would hope if anyone's going to be prepared for rain, it would be a weatherman.
You hope.
Yeah, if you're out there without the umbrella, then I would start questioning things, George. As it is, as always, you have my confidence.
We have several people that ask us all the time, why do we do weather outdoors? You know, that was from the 50s and 60s.
Yeah.
Well, a picture is worth 1,000 words.
Exactly.
See, I don't need to be in a studio to tell you, hey, you need to put your rain gear on and an umbrella, because you can see what you need to wear. Absolutely. We're between some showers right now, but we've got more on the way, at least for the next couple of hours. So yeah, this is the standard weather gear. 13, the weather ball is blinking bright for a few more hours tonight for those showers coming our way. It's also blue, much cooler weather in view. First real taste of fall-like weather with lake effect showers over the weekend. And this view brought to you by the great folks at your West Michigan Ace Hardware stores. How do we do with the forecast? Did your weatherman check his accuracy? Probably not. 66 was our forecast high. It made 65. That's 3 days in a row within 3 degrees. Forecast though, chilly weekend. Mostly dry Saturday. In fact, 99% of the area is going to be dry, but lake effect showers on Sunday, especially from I-96 and 196 north. Temperatures over the weekend around 50. Our average high is in the low 60s. A dry Monday, but just some showers coming through on Tuesday. They may transition to, again, some lake effect showers Wednesday. But by next weekend, it is going to be warmer. Most of the week in the 50s, but will be 60s next weekend. Tomorrow, though, partly to mostly cloudy to start your day. It'll be breezy later on in the afternoon, but temperatures getting up near 50. 99% of the area is going to stay dry here tomorrow. We saw the forecast for next year earlier for the Great Lakes. Here's the current ratings. 2 inches higher than last month, and this is the time of year when it usually goes down. So if we start higher in the late fall and early winter, it's going to go higher next year. 14 inches above last year at this time, and 33 inches above the long-term average. But we know what averages are. They're between the low points, like in 2013, and the high points, like this year. Lakeshore flood advisory is still in effect. Earlier, the flood advisory, which was inland, was canceled. Lakeshore flood advisory remains in effect for the high winds and waves that are going to lead to beach erosion and treacherous conditions, especially on those channel walls. Heaviest showers now range from right around the Battle Creek area on up through Lansing. Still some other showers coming in over Lake Michigan, and those will be with us here for the next couple of hours. The parent storm is way up here in northern Minnesota. Just got to hang out there over the weekend. Still a lot of snow, northeastern portions of North Dakota. Meanwhile, cold front is going through, or has gone through, most of the area as we've dropped into the upper 40s and mid 50s, so a chilly evening going on, and at best will be around 50 over the weekend. There's the heavier rain as we just showed you from Battle Creek on up through the Lansing area. By 11 o'clock, the real significant rain will have ended. In fact, mostly cloudy skies at the lakeshore. It may become partly to mostly cloudy later on tonight, just still a few lake effect clouds. And as I mentioned, tomorrow, partly to mostly cloudy. There might be an isolated shower, but nothing like today. Tomorrow night, we're looking at cloudy skies with some showers back in over the northern counties, and they'll get down to around about Holland, Grand Rapids, maybe over toward Lansing by the end of the day. On and off tomorrow, Sunday night into Monday, but Monday will be a dry day as well. Just a few more clouds. In terms of rainfall, most of it is this evening, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. During the day tomorrow, you can see 99% of the area dry. Not the case tomorrow night. The heavier rain will be to the north. And then there's your boundary from about Holland to Lansing northward, just enough to wet the ground. So you're going to have to wait until Monday to really do any kind of leaf raking here in West Michigan. Lakeshore flood advisory does remain in effect. The flood advisory for all of the area was canceled. Upper 40s to near 50. A windy day with all of those high waves up north. Mid and upper 40s, just breezy here. Winds about 20-25 miles an hour. And from Grand Rapids southward, highs in the upper 40s, maybe near 50 here in Grand Rapids. 13 on your side forecast. 50s all next week. On and off showers on Sunday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Warming up into the 60s next weekend. Maybe some showers to end next week.